Are you juggling two kids? Sometimes it feels like you can't keep up with them. The Kooper X2 is built just for you. This compact stroller conquers two, just like you. With a convenient 3-part fold and seats for two kids up to 50 pounds each, the Kooper X2 double stroller is easy to travel with and makes getting around easier. The Kooper X2 is built to last with high-end materials that will take your kids from as young as 3 months all the way to 50 pounds. We thought of it all, from the large storage basket that can carry 22 pounds to the trays with extra deep cup holders that stay on while folding the Kooper X2. We understand that you're on the go, so you need a stroller that can keep up. The large wheels provide you with a smooth ride and an easy one-handed push. The Kooper's all-weather canopies with SPF 50 are designed to protect your little ones come rain or shine. With 2 individual, comfy, customizable reclined seats, adjustable 3-position leg rests, and a convenient parent storage unit, you can be sure that your kiddos will have all the luxuries, so you can get on with your day.